Good morning and good afternoon. Sandy Boy is back. How's everyone doing today? Because the Blackhawks did not do well at all. But we won't talk about that because we know they'll come back. Good morning, good evening, and good night. Would you like to see the next episode of Sandy Boy? Because we're going to have one right now. And if you don't want to watch it, I don't give a crap. Don't watch it. I don't give a crap if you don't like it. Because I got to go take a big crap. Well, we have something interesting to do today. Well, hi everyone, how are you? Good evening, good morning, and good night. I missed you. Did you miss me? Well, we have to make another episode because I think my episodes are better than what's going on Saturday night, blah, blah, blah. So I can't say that. But you know what I'm talking about. Well, this is what we're going to do today. Or tonight. Because I don't give a crap. Well, we have to remove the hat. Oh, I forgot to show you. I got the Blue Tip Purdy brush. The Blue Tip. Remember the Blue Tip? Works very well for everything. If you want to try to paint your own home, you have to use the Blue Tip, because otherwise it doesn't work. Oh, here we go. We're going to be using Mrs. Buttersworth. Yeah, Mrs. Buttersworth. Yeah. Mrs. Buttersworth seems to be working better today, doesn't it? It's kind of transparent again. It's not like paint, because I'm not painting, so who gives a crap?
I'd say that was a pretty successful broadcast.
Notorious 90s with L.A. Lloyd.
Oh yeah, we're listening to Will Rock again. Of course.
Presents a voicemail from your friend.
It works pretty damn well, I think.
Hello, it's your bike here. So
It's not working very well, so who gives a crap?
I just want you to know it's not anything you did, and I'm not trying to make excuses here, but I do have wheels. They roll. Anyway, hope you're insured. I'll see you soon.
Landlines are a thing of the past with Grasshopper.
We're back,
phone system.
The lights went off and everything because there's a storm.
Grasshopper helps you grow
Well,
your
who
business.
cares?
Get all the
Because
features
I
of
have
business
Mrs.
phone
Buttersworth.
free with a cell phone.
Look at this.
iPhone and Android apps. 6 extensions for your team. Calls forwarded to your mobile phones. Voicemails transcribed in email. And so much
I'm
more.
scared. Are you scared? There's this bad storm coming, so who gives a crap? Look at this. Does this look good? Yeah, Mrs. Buttersworth is back in town. Yeah, and then we have to do this. I couldn't find any syrup, so I'll just use chocolate syrup. Oh yeah, how about that? How about that? Yeah, that looks great, doesn't it? What the hell's going on? Oh, wait a second, we have to do something else. Oh, we forgot. We have to use some mustard. Yeah. Yeah, mustard. How about that one? Oh, wait a second. We forgot about the Pepto-Bismol.
And nothing gets you closer to zero than Nasacort. Because unlike antihistamines that stop only one
Yeah.
cause of your allergy symptoms, Nasacort stops more. And stopping more gets you closer to
Yeah,
zero.
Pepto-Bismol. Yeah, how about that?
Worst nasal allergy
Good
symptoms
morning, good afternoon.